Good morning, children. Open your studios, all of you. So we have completed 4 chapters now. What are the chapters we learned, Jama? Lines and rays, angles around you, the world of numbers, arithmetic operations we learned. Okay. Now we are going to the new chapter, factors and multiples. What is the chapter name? Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. So before we are going to this chapter, we have to know the factors and multiples. Before we are going to that topic, first we have to learn some topics. What is that? See the activity page number 71, 5.1 activity. Malini has bought a big jar of marbles for her classmates. There are 75 red marbles, 24 green marbles and 80 orange marbles are there. So Malini has brought how many marbles? A big jar of marbles she brought. So they are having so many colors marbles are there. Okay. So what are those? Red marbles, green marbles, orange marbles are there. So how many red marbles are there? 75 red marbles and 24 green marbles and 80 orange marbles are there. Now see here, help Malini decide if she can distribute each color of marble equally among her classmates if Rita and Ram like green marbles. So Rita and Ram like green marbles. How Malini will distribute them? Green marbles, how many are there? 24 green marbles are there. How she can distribute for both of them, green marbles? So first, she gave to Rita 1 and Ram. Another 1, another 1. Like that she distribute equally. Okay. So she distribute like that. Next, Sia and Alina, Tom, Ali and Kavita like red marbles. So Sia, Alina, Tom, Ali and Kavita like red marbles. How many red marbles are there? 75 red marbles are there. So she has distributed those 5 members equally. Okay. And next, remaining 10 children like orange marbles. Remaining 10 children like orange marbles. Explain the steps you use to solve the problem. Can you explain, children, how to distribute her? How she distribute those marbles to her friends? Can you explain? Anyone? Come on, tell me. So explain the steps you use to solve the problem. How? What are the steps she taken to distribute equally among all friends? To divide the marbles equally. Write down there. To divide the marbles. To divide the marbles equally to her friends. To divide the marbles equally to her friends. Okay, write down here. Here 2 lines are given now. So here you should write first 2 lines. To divide the marbles equally to her friends. Next, is there an easier way to find out if Malini can distribute the marbles equally? Is there any easier way to find out if Malini can distribute the marbles equally? Explain your answer. Is there any easier way, ma? Is there any easier way? Yes, it is. Right, yes. Yes. In the second question right here. Yes. Yes. To distribute the marbles. To distribute the marbles equally by using test of divisibility. By using test of divisibility. Yes, to distribute the marbles equally by using test of divisibility. This one first one answer, this is the second one answer. So test for divisibility helps to equally group objects without actual division. So test for divisibility helps to distribute the objects equally without actual division. We can use test for divisibility. Okay. So Malini can use test for divisibility to decide if she can equally distribute the marbles. Okay. Now turn the page. Page number 72. Now solve the problem in PEP 5.1 using test for divisibility. So using test for divisibility, you can solve the problem. Okay. What is test for divisibility? What is test for divisibility, ma? So without actual division, we can use this one. Without actual division, we can use this one. How? We can see now. Okay. First one is Rita and Ram like green marbles. So Rita and Ram like green marbles. No. So how many green marbles are there? 24 marbles. So 24. 24 is even number and odd number. 24 is an even number or an odd number? It is an even number. Rita and Ram. How many members are there? Rita and how many members? 2 members. So 24 divided by 2. So if 24 is divisible by 2 or not, how can you check? See here. 24 divided by 2. So in that 24, what is the units place here? What is the units place here? Units place is, what is the place? Units place. 4. In the 24, what is the ones place here? 4. So 4 is an even number or odd number? Even number. So 4 is divisible by 2 or not? Yes. So 4 is divisible by 2. Why? Because all even numbers are divisible by 2. So 24 is divisible by 2. How many times? 12 times. 2 12, 24. Like that you have to use. Okay. Now write at black. Number of green marbles equal to how many? 24. Number of green marbles is equal to 24. Yes, write in the first line. Number of green marbles equal to 24. Next, put the comma there. Number of members. Number of members. How many members like green marbles? How many members? 2 members. So number of members is equal to 2. Okay. Now 24 the number 24 ones place is the number 24 ones place is 4. So 4 is divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 2. So therefore 24 is divisible by 2. So in the number 24, ones place is 4. 4 is divisible by 2. So 24 is divisible by 2. 24 divided by 2 is equal to, what is the answer? 24 divided by 2. How many times? 12 times. Okay, 2 12, 24. So each one got how many marbles? 12 marbles. Okay, ma? Right. Okay, next question. What is the next question? Sia, Alina, Tom, Ali and Kavita like red marbles. So how many red marbles are there? 75. Write down. Number of red marbles equal to 75. Number of red marbles equal to 75. Next, number of members. How many members? How many? Sia, Alina, Tom, Ali and Kavita. Those are 5 members. Number of members how many? 5. So what is the number? The number 75. Ones place is, what is the ones place here? 5. So 5 is divisible by 5 or not? 5 is divisible by 5 or not? Yes. So in the phi table, the test for divisibility by 5 is, what is that? The number having ones place is 5 or 0, then that number is divisible by 5. So here 75, ones place is 5. 5 is divisible by 5 or not? Yes. So 5 is divisible by 5. Therefore 75 is divisible by 5. Okay. So 75 divided by 5. How many times? 5 ones 5. 2 is remaining. 5 5 25. 15 times. So each one got how many marbles? 15. So what is the test for divisibility of 2? The numbers having ones place as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those numbers are in the ones place. That numbers are divisible by 2. And what is the test for divisibility by 5? The numbers having ones place as 0 or 5. Then that number is divisible by 5. Okay. Come on, write. Next, the remaining 10 children like orange marbles. Remaining 10 children like orange marbles. So how many orange marbles are there? 80 marbles are there. So write it. Number of orange marbles equal to how many? 80. Number of members? How many members like orange marbles? 10 members. So the number 80 ones place. Ones place is, what is the ones place here? What is the ones place here? 0. Ones place is 0. So 0 is divisible by 10 or not? Yes, 0 is divisible by 10. So what is the test of divisibility by 10 is the number having the last digit as 0. Those numbers are divisible by 10. Okay. So 0 is divisible by 10. So therefore 80 is divisible by 10. So 80 divided by 10 is equal to, what is the answer? 8. Did you understand? So what is the divisibility rules we learned? Test of divisibility by 2 learned. Test of divisibility by 5 we learned. Test of divisibility by 10 we learned. So what is the test of divisibility by 2 children? The numbers having the last digit as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or even numbers. Those numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. And next second one, 5. The numbers which last digit having 0 or 5, those numbers are divisible by 5. Okay. And next last one, test for divisibility by 10. The numbers having the last digit as 0, those numbers are divisible by 10. Did you understand, ma'am? So today what we learned, test of disability by 2, 5, 10. Okay ma, come on write. We will continue tomorrow class ma. Take your companion, page number 33, gear up. You can do this page. Okay? Gear up activity. Page number 33. Companion, page number 33, you can do homework. Okay, we'll continue next class, ma. Goodbye.